if you're new to investing, there's really two different avenues that you can take. And let me kind of walk you through the two situations that might be in your wheelhouse. So you've been working at a company, you're starting to make some really good money. You've kind of made the stockpile, you're happily married, you've got the 2.3 kids at home that are in all the different activities. So you're getting off work at 5:30, taking the drive home at 6 o'clock. You want to spend a little time with your spouse. You want to spend some time, obviously, with your family. But you've got this great idea that you want to be a stock investor. You've been, looking at the different publications. You've been watching things on television. You're hearing all this money that can be made out there. And you're like, hey, I can do this. I have $100,000 that I've saved up. And I want to, I've worked really hard to do this. I want to make it more. Well, great. Okay. So you've started doing the research. You start digging into stocks, bonds, mutual funds, ETFs. You're looking at the alpha. You're looking at the beta, the standard deviation. You're scratching your head. You're saying, I'm not exactly even sure what some of these things mean. You're trying to go back to your stats days in college and you're like, well, that wasn't exactly my favorite class. Next thing you know, a couple hours has went by. You missed your kid's bedtime. Maybe the spouse is a little upset with you and you're saying, yeah, but honey, I just found this great investment. And you go out there and you buy it. 6 months later, 9 months later, a year later, it hasn't done exactly what you thought it was going to do because you don't have the time or maybe the resources or potentially the education to really dig into the details of that to make the best educated decision for you and your family. So that's scenario one. Scenario two, you walk in the doors of Prevail, you're greeted at one of our amazing staff members. They treat you to coffee or soda, glass of water. You meet one team member that turns into 2 team members, 3, 4 team members, because we build a team of experts around you. People that say, have you considered this? Why have you not looked down this path? Are taxes an issue? Let's look at this scenario. What are you saving this for? Why are these things important? Looking at the different buckets that you could place these different assets. Before you know it, you have an entire financial roadmap in front of you. Your spouse is thrilled. You're making it to everything that you should be making it to from a family perspective. We've taken over all the trading. We're doing all the analysis for you, and you get the results in a nice, pretty package at the end of the year. I would say hopefully 100% of people, but not always. Most people should consider going down the professional route. Let us take the load off of you and make it easy for you.